birthday. Manchester by the beach. Little vlogiana, you know. Key, like, it's not even that packed. It'll be a good day. And then there's a barbecue later, so like, 4th of July, like this is all you can want. Woo, now I'm feeling the. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. It's coming.
No!
Right? This is how the girls do it, right?
Exactly. Gobble the influencer.
Shit, you might as well just take off the cat. Yeah.
Is it insensitive if I speak everything with like an accent?
No, it's all good, bro.
Cheers.
Our hero for this child. Aww. I know, where's that at? Why you gotta do it? Wow, my hair looks crazy. Nicki Minaj. This is Momoa. Yeah? Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
Whatever you say. Go! Woo! Our American hero!
So I came through with the sandwich meat, saved the day. Lunchtime.
Pepper jack.
I gotta do
cheddar.
Wait, look at mine, look at mine.
Pepper jack here.
You see these?
Oh, come on now, come on now.
Oh wait, who has the turkey?
Yup,
A little bit.
yup, yup.
Now that's how you make a sandwich.
That's how you make a sandwich. Yup, yup. No, I'm sorry. You got this, Alice! Woo! Yeah! See, I knew it! Damn! Woo!